We have the 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum all-wheel drive, with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and a beautiful gray color. Let's take a look inside. On the inside have a nice armrest, power locks, and mirrors, memory seat functions, black leather upholstery all throughout. Power driver lumbar support. Let's hop inside. Left side, have an air vent, steering assist on or off, the cluster dimming controls, power trunk, audio radio, Bluetooth controls. On the left hand side, paddle shifters, automatic headlights, fog lights, adaptive cruise control functions, and Bluetooth controls. Settings here, driver assistance, have our steering assist, lane departure and prevention warning, blind spot, your emergency brake for the front and the rear, speed limit sign, all this stuff in here, cross traffic alert as well. We got our compass, audio, drive computer. Coming to the infotainment, check out our source list here. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB inputs, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Come back home. You have a map here as well. Full navigation available in this Nissan Rogue Platinum. Camera button here. You got front camera, 360 cam. Side cameras. Show you the backup camera shortly as well. And our settings here as well. Dual zone climate control functions, heated seats for the driver and the passenger, front and rear defrost, heated steering wheel, USB, USB-C, 12 volt, wireless phone charger, backup camera, parking sensors, auto hold, electronic park brake, different drive modes here. Off-road, snow, auto, eco, and sport. Center console, dual moonroof. Open that up even more. You got all your controls for that. SOS button, interior lighting options, and a rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside. Here at the front, have our black and gold finish grille, Nissan badge in the middle, LED headlights, front parking sensors, silver rear alloy rims, tape matching door handles and mirrors, rear tinted windows, roof rails, platinum all-wheel drive badge on the right, rear parking sensors, front trunk. It's nice and easy, 64 rear seats and a cargo cover. Let's move to the back seats now. The back seats have a nice armrest, power windows, some of that brown trim, sun screen there as well. All-weather mats, some of the bigger and some other upholsteries you have in the front. Rear air vents, heated seats, USB and USB-C input, and rear zone climate control. That's the back side. Time to wrap it up for 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum all-wheel drive in a gray color. If you have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.